Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life, where I share my everyday life as a gypsy housewife. In today's video, I am bringing y'all some quick cleaning motivation for Monday. This video isn't going to be as long as my usual ones because this one's just a quickie. Just a little something to help you start your week. Today is Monday, December 6th, and we are starting the week right. I know a lot of people don't like Mondays, but Mondays have always been my favorite day of the week. It's the perfect day to start over and start fresh. So embrace it, y'all. Trust me, it's a good day.
Wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to.
So anyway, I'm starting off by vacuuming the floor. I have 3 long-haired ragdoll cats, and believe me when I tell you, these little girls shed like crazy. When we were researching cats before we found our first ragdoll, we read about how ragdolls don't really shed as much as other cats. Well, guess what? Somebody lied. These are the most shedding cats I've ever seen in my life, and when I tell you there is cat hair everywhere, I mean it. I have to vacuum several times a day because if I don't, I would be drowning in cat hair.
You know, when you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe.
Alright, so now I am moving on to the kitchen. I'm just going to use these little disinfecting wipes that I got from Walmart and some multi-purpose cleaner mixed with water, and I'm just going to wipe off these cabinets real quick. This is another thing that I do several times a day, and I know that might sound crazy, but I seriously enjoy it. Honestly, cleaning is just my thing. It makes me happy, it makes me feel better, it helps my anxiety, and I enjoy taking pride in my home and making my home clean and comfortable. And you know what they say, a clean home is a happy home, and it's true. Clutter and dirt and chaos actually makes anxiety worse. When I let my place go for a few days, honestly, it makes me feel down and it makes me feel real anxious. But as soon as I clean and everything looks and smells good, I instantly feel better. Next time you're having a bad day or you're dealing with anxiety, put some of your favorite music on, get some new cleaning products, some good smelling ones, or whichever you prefer, and just start cleaning. Light a candle, put a new scent in your wax warmer, or get some essential oils going. You'll find that you'll feel a lot better, I promise. And also, if you don't feel like spending tons of money on new cleaning products, go to your local dollar store. They've got all the stuff you need and it's only $1. And I know by the end of your trip, it does add up, but it's a lot cheaper than shopping at your local grocery store or Walmart. I do both, obviously, but I can't lie, I enjoy going to the Dollar Tree and picking up cleaning stuff.
I wouldn't know what to.
It's the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
So anyways, now we are moving on to mopping this floor. I am using a multi-purpose cleaner, the same one that I was using on my countertops. It's just mixed with some water and a spray bottle that I got from Grove Collab. And the mop I'm using is the mop I got from Target. It's called the Infuse Mop. I don't know why, but sometimes the little handle thing gets stuck, the one that you push that sprays out the cleaner. So sometimes it's just easier for me to use the spray bottle, but I also switch back and forth.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the
Now I'm moving on to making my bed. I'm not going to clean my whole bedroom. I'm just making the bed real quick. I usually like to do this before I do anything else in here. You know, I wake up, I'll have some coffee, watch a little TV, check some emails, and then I get up and make my bed and then do everything else after. But sometimes I like to switch it up. But honestly, I switch up my routine so much that I can never give a straight answer. However, the truth is I try my best every day to keep my home clean. Sometimes I don't though. I have days where I don't feel like doing anything, so I just don't. But I mostly do what I gotta do.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
But anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it more than you know. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoyed my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below in the comment section, because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Know that once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world the spaces.